You can use mine.
Hearings officer, can you hear us now?
I can, yes.
Thank you.
Are we ready to go?
We are. We don't have any members of the public in person, and I don't believe we have any on Zoom either. Okay.
Cool. All right. We will go on the record now. The time is about 11 a.m. on November 21st, 2025. This is a hearing for Deschutes County, file numbers 247-25000-306-CU, 247-25000-307-LM, and 247-25000-308V. My name is Greg Frank, and I am the assigned hearings officer for this matter. Before we turn to the particulars of the hearing today, I'd like to turn things over to Ms. Stewart to describe how the electronic process will work and any additional information she may have related to this case. Ms. Stewart.
Good morning. For the record, my name's Audrey Stewart, and I'm an associate planner with the Deschutes County Planning Division. The item before the hearings officer is a conditional use permit for a dock expansion, as well as landscape management review and a river setback variance for several accessory structures. Prior to today's hearing, the applicant's attorney requested a continuance of today's hearing. The county's procedures ordinance requires today's hearing to be opened, and if desired, anyone can testify. Hearings Officer Frank will decide whether to grant the continuance request, and if yes, he'll make a decision on when the next hearing will be scheduled. Hearings Officer Frank, can you confirm if you would like to hear the requester of the continuance or other parties prior to making a decision, or are you ready to make a decision?
Just to confirm, if you could, no one's in the audience or online that we're aware of.
Correct, Hearings Officer. We don't have anyone online or in person.
All right, then I would like to address the continuance directly. Can you describe to me the requested continuance?
Yes, on November 12th, the applicant's attorney requested in writing for a continuance of this hearing. We've coordinated with the applicant and the hearings officer and found December 4th to be a new hearing date that works for everyone.
Great. Then with that, the next hearing, I'm going to grant the request for the continuance. The next hearing for this application will be scheduled for Thursday, December 4th at 9 a.m. Hearing will be held in the same location as this morning's hearing, and the Barnes and Solar rooms, as well as online. You may attend remotely using the Zoom link or the dial-in option. Anything further from staff?
No other comments from staff.
Okay, then it would seem appropriate at this time to close this portion of the hearing process, but we will all reconvene at 9 o'clock on December 4th to conduct a full evidentiary hearing. Anything further?
Thank you, hearings officer.
Okay, we'll close the hearing. Thank you for.
We do have the second. And hearings officer? Sorry.
Yes.
As
still
a
here.
procedural note, we will open and close also the hearing for the other application, 309-CU.
Okay. Which one did we just do? I thought we did all three. We did not. Just procedurally, just correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct. So there's three applications that are tied to one property and then one other file number that's tied to a separate property, though they're neighboring and owned by the same person, just to keep the two records clean.
Okay, so give me the case number for that other one. Give me the case number for that other one.
It's 247-25-000-309-CU.
Okay, and thank you. I'm sorry for the glitch, and that's my bad. Okay, we're also going to consider a request for continuance, as I understand, for 247-25-000-309-CU. Correct, Ms. Stewart?
Correct, hearings officer.
Okay, and I'm assuming no one's come in or come online at this point.
That's correct.
All right, so I'm going to grant the request for the continuance of 247-250-000309-CU until December 4th at 9 a.m. Same places and the hearing room, Barnes and Sawyer rooms, as well as giving an option for remote hearings. I'm going to ask just to make sure, anything additional?
Hearings officer, it does appear we actually had a couple people join online. So just now, so if it's okay with the hearings officer, we could elevate those people to panelists and confirm whether they wanted to testify.
Let's do that, please. Thank you. So if you can hear me, there is a request for a continuance for all matters related to this case, which are actually 4 case numbers. And I have previously granted the continuance until December 4th at 9 in the morning, same place, remote. If you can hear me and you understand that, could you either affirm that that's acceptable to you, or if not, if you wish to testify today, I need to know that as well. So whoever is participating and which wishes to raise their hand and say something, please do so.
The continuance is fine with me. This is Brian Eid.
Okay. And would you give me your first and last name again, please?
Brian with an I, last name spelled E-I-D.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate your participation. Anyone else?
We have 2 other people, so please bear with us. We're going to elevate them to panelist.
I have no problems.
The other person who was online was a member of our planning staff who was watching the hearing. So it appears we don't have to elevate.
I'm assuming they don't object. So,
no.
All right. So there's no additional folks that are potential to give testimony today.
Correct, hearings officer.
Okay, so I'm going to go back and just repeat this because I want to make sure it's clear. Cases 247-250-0306-CU, 247-25-0000307-LM, 247-25-0000308-V, and 247-25-0000309-CU. The hearings for those matters will be continued to December 4th at 9 a.m. Same location as the scheduled hearing for today, the Barnes and Sawyer room, and same opportunity for remote testimony that is available for today's hearing. So I will grant that. Anything further from the staff?
No other comments from staff.
Okay, then. I'm assuming at this point in time I can close the hearing. This time I probably will hit the little leave button. So is that okay?
That's okay. Thank you, hearings officer.
All right. I appreciate everyone's patience in this, and we will see everyone or hear everyone on December 4th at 9 in the morning. Thank you for participating. Talk to you soon.